Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be having a look at IFC Markets. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. IFC Markets, a prominent online Forex broker, stands as a reputable and innovative platform within the global financial landscape. With a commitment to providing traders and investors with an array of comprehensive trading solutions, IFC Markets has established itself as a distinguished player in the Forex industry. Through its user-friendly interface and a wide range of trading instruments, including currency pairs, commodities, indices, and equities, IFC Markets offers a dynamic and accessible environment for both novice and experienced traders. Backed by a dedication to technological advancement and a client-centric approach, IFC Markets continues to empower traders worldwide to navigate the complexities of the financial markets effectively. This introduction is a testament to the broker's mission of fostering financial growth and success to its diverse clientele. IFC Markets offers a wide and diverse array of trading instruments. Through their user-friendly platform, traders can access a variety of options, including Forex pairs, commodities, indices, stocks, cryptocurrencies, exchange-traded funds, bonds, commodity and index CFDs, futures, as well as synthetic instruments. With IFC Markets' comprehensive selection of trading instruments, traders of all levels can explore diverse markets and implement strategies that align with their financial goals. IFC Markets places a strong emphasis on regulatory compliance and transparency, prioritizing the safety and security of its clients' investments. The broker operates under the highest regulatory standards to instill confidence and trust among its clientele. IFC Markets is authorized and regulated by the British Virgin Islands Financial Services Commission, or BVI-FSC. This regulatory oversight ensures that the broker adheres to rigorous guidelines and procedures, safeguarding clients' funds and promoting ethical practices in the financial industry. IFC Markets is also regulated by the FCA, the CYSEC, the NFA, and more. This broker offers a wide selection of promotional offerings, designed to enhance the trading experience for its clients. These promotions provide traders with an opportunity to maximize their trading potential and access various benefits. The promotions offered can include bonuses on deposits, allowing traders to receive additional funds to bolster their trading capital. This can lead to increased trading opportunities and potential profits. Furthermore, the broker may introduce special trading conditions such as reduced spreads or commissions during certain promotional periods. This enables traders to execute trades at more favorable terms, potentially enhancing their trading outcomes. Occasionally, IFC Markets might organize trading competitions or contests, offering participants the chance to showcase their skills and compete for attractive prizes. These events not only foster a sense of community among traders, but also reward excellence in trading strategies. IFC Markets offers the use of the NetTradeX, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. The NetTradeX trading platform is a powerful and innovative solution designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. NetTradeX combines user-friendly features with advanced capabilities to provide a seamless trading experience. The platform offers a wide range of trading instruments, including currency pairs, commodities, indices, stocks, and more. Traders can access real-time market data, advanced charting tools, and technical indicators to make informed trading decisions. NetTradeX also supports various order types, allowing traders to execute their strategies with precision. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, the platform's intuitive interface and customizable layout makes it easy to navigate and tailor to your preferences. MetaTrader 4 is a renowned and widely used solution that caters to the needs of traders across the globe. MetaTrader 4 stands as a versatile and comprehensive platform that combines advanced trading tools with user-friendly features. With access to a diverse range of financial instruments, including currencies, commodities, indices, and more, MetaTrader 4 empowers traders to participate in various markets with ease. The platform provides real-time market data, interactive charts, and a wide array of technical indicators, enabling traders to make informed decisions. The MetaTrader 5 trading platform is an advanced and versatile solution designed to cater to the diverse trading needs of users around the world. MetaTrader 5 builds upon the success of its predecessor MetaTrader 4 by offering an enhanced trading experience with a range of powerful tools. The platform provides access to an extensive selection of financial instruments, including currency pairs, commodities, indices, stocks, and more. It features real-time market data, interactive charts, and a comprehensive array of technical indicators to equip traders with the insights needed to make well-informed trading decisions. With regards to their trading accounts, IFC Markets offers 4 main types of trading accounts, as well as swap free accounts and demo accounts. These accounts include the beginner account, the standard account, the micro account, and the PAM account. Their standard trading account offers a versatile and accessible option for traders seeking a well-rounded trading experience. With competitive spreads and a comprehensive range of tradable instruments, this account type caters to both beginners and seasoned traders. Traders utilizing the standard account can access a diverse array of financial instruments, including Forex currency pairs, commodities, indices, and more. The account's competitive spreads ensures cost-effective trading, enhancing the potential for profitable outcomes. IFC's micro trading account is tailored for traders looking to start their trading journey with a smaller initial deposit, while still enjoying the benefits of a comprehensive trading platform. This account type offers a unique opportunity for beginners to engage in the financial markets with reduced contract sizes and manageable risk levels. With the micro account, traders can access a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex pairs, commodities, indices, and more. The account's reduced contract size makes it an ideal choice for those who want to trade smaller positions and gradually build their trading skills and confidence. IFC Markets also offers a percentage allocation management module trading account, an innovative solution designed to bridge the gap between experienced traders and potential investors. The PAM account offers a unique platform where skilled traders can manage funds on behalf of investors seeking to tap into the financial markets without active involvement. Through a PAM trading account, accomplished traders can showcase their expertise and strategy performance, attracting potential investors. Investors, on the other hand, can allocate their funds to these skilled traders, allowing them to benefit from the trader's success while minimizing the need for in-depth market knowledge. Their demo trading account is a valuable tool designed to allow traders to practice and refine their trading strategies in a risk-free environment. This account offers a simulated trading experience that mirrors real-time market conditions, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced traders looking to test new approaches. The demo trading account grants traders access to a wide range of financial instruments, including currency pairs, commodities, indices, and more. It allows users to execute trades, analyze market movements, and gain hands-on experience without the need for real capital. This account type offers a safe space for traders to experiment with different strategies, fine-tune their skills, and build confidence before transitioning to live trading. It provides real-time market data and charting tools, ensuring that users can make informed decisions as if they were trading with actual funds. IFC Markets also offers a swap-free trading account, tailored to accommodate traders who adhere to Islamic principles and seek trading opportunities that align with their beliefs. Also known as an Islamic account, this option ensures that traders can participate in the financial markets that prohibit earning or paying interest. Creating an account with IFC Markets is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, head over to the IFC Markets homepage and then click on the Start Trading button. What you'll want to do next is complete your online registration form, after which you will be redirected to the IFC Markets client portal. Once within their client portal, you can easily create live or demo accounts, contact support, check on your deposits, and much more. The next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with IFC Markets. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. IFC Markets offers a straightforward and secure process for making deposits, providing traders with a seamless experience to fund their trading accounts. Traders can choose from various deposit methods, including bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and electronic payment systems. This flexibility caters to the diverse needs and preferences of clients, allowing them to select the most suitable option for their circumstances. IFC Markets offers a streamlined and secure process for withdrawals as well, enabling traders to access their funds effectively. Traders can choose from various withdrawal methods, including bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and electronic payment systems. This diversity caters to individual preferences, allowing clients to select the most convenient and suitable option for transferring their funds. IFC Markets prioritizes the security of clients' financial information during the withdrawal process, implementing robust encryption measures to safeguard sensitive data. This commitment to security ensures that clients can confidently initiate withdrawals without compromising their personal information. IFC Markets recognizes the importance of education in empowering individuals to access the financial markets effectively. Through its dedicated educational resources, the platform offers a valuable learning experience for traders of all levels. The educational resources cover a wide spectrum of topics, catering to both beginners and experienced traders, from introductory guides that explain the basics of trading to advanced tutorials on technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, and more. These resources provide a comprehensive foundation for successful trading. They provide interactive tutorials, video lessons, and informative articles, which contribute to a dynamic learning environment. Traders can explore various trading strategies, understand market dynamics, and gain insights into the factors that influence price movements. Their commitment to education extends to its emphasis on fostering a deeper understanding of trading platforms, tools, and features. Through these resources, traders can confidently utilize the platform's capabilities to execute trades and manage their portfolios effectively. By offering a diverse array of educational materials, IFC Markets empowers traders to make informed decisions, develop robust trading strategies, and build their expertise over time. These resources exemplify the platform's dedication to supporting traders in their journey towards financial growth and success. IFC Markets provides a dedicated section for news and analysis. This platform offers traders a valuable resource to stay informed about the latest market developments, trends, and insights. The news and analysis section covers a wide range of financial markets, including Forex, commodities, indices, and much more. Regularly updated news articles and analysis pieces provides traders with a comprehensive understanding of current events that can impact market movements. Traders can access fundamental analysis that delves into economic indicators, geopolitical events, and monetary policies that shape market trends. Additionally, technical analysis provides insights into price patterns, trends, and potential entry and exit points for trades. Their news and analysis platform aims to equip traders with the knowledge and perspectives needed to make informed trading decisions. By staying up to date with the latest market information, traders can adjust their strategies and positions in response to changing market dynamics. With its focus on providing timely and relevant market insights, their news and analysis section enhances the trader's ability to navigate the financial markets effectively. In addition, IFC Markets provides risk management calculators, profit and loss estimators, and other practical utilities that assist traders in managing their portfolios and assessing potential outcomes of their trading strategies. The platform's analytical tools also include market sentiment indicators, offering insights into the collective mood of traders towards specific assets. This sentiment analysis can aid traders in gauging potential market directions. IFC Markets proudly boasts a history of recognition and acclaim through numerous awards received in the financial industry. These awards are a testament to the platform's commitment to excellence and its contributions to the trading community. Among the accolades received, IFC Markets has been honored as the best CFD broker, the best Forex broker service, the most consumer-centric broker, the best Forex broker of Southeast Asia, and many, many more, solidifying its position as a leader in the industry. This recognition underscores the platform's dedication to providing traders with top-tier services and a comprehensive range of trading instruments. Overall, IFC Markets stands as a reputable and innovative online Forex broker that has earned recognition for its commitment to excellence in the financial industry. With a diverse range of trading instruments, user-friendly trading platforms, and a dedication to regulatory compliance, IFC Markets empowers traders of all levels to engage in the global financial markets with confidence. The platform's emphasis on education, analytical tools, and news resources showcases its dedication to providing traders with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed decisions. Through its array of trading accounts, IFC Markets caters to a wide range of trading preferences and goals. As demonstrated by their awards and accolades, their unwavering commitment to client satisfaction and security is evident, and the platform's transparent and user-centric approach sets the stage for traders to embark on their trading journey while receiving the necessary support and resources they need. So if you are interested, be sure to check out IFC Markets today and open your free demo account to get a taste for their platform. And that is our overview of IFC Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.